In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Udemy course. Whether you've decided to consolidate your content, or maybe you've just changed your mind about a course, removing a course can be straightforward once you know where to look. So let's dive in and simplify this process. The first step is to search for Udemy in your preferred web browser. This might seem basic, but it sets the foundation for everything we'll do next. Open your browser and type Udemy into the search bar. Once you hit enter, click on the Udemy link to head over to the website. If you're already familiar with this step, then you're one step closer to achieving our goal for today. Once you've opened the Udemy website, the next thing you'll want to do is to log into your account. Remember, this should be the account where the course you wish to delete is currently located. If you are already logged in, you'll want to navigate to the Instructor or Teach on Udemy section. This is where all the magic happens for course creators. Make sure that you are accessing the correct part because this is where you will manage your courses. In the Instructor area, you should see a list of all the courses you have created or published. This is your dashboard, your hub of activity on Udemy. Take a moment to review the list and identify the specific course you need to delete. It might help to have the course's title ready, so you don't delete something by mistake. Once you've identified the correct course, the next step is to select it and click the Edit button. This will lead you to a new page where you can make changes to your course. Take your time here, as the next steps will be crucial. You're almost at the finish line. With the page refreshed and the course selected, you will need to look for the Delete option. This option is typically found within the course settings or management sections. Upon clicking Delete, you might be prompted to confirm your decision to ensure that no accidental deletions occur. Make sure this is the course you truly want to remove before confirming. And there you have it. The course is now deleted. So that's all there is to it. Make sure to double-check everything before confirming any deletions to avoid losing valuable content inadvertently. Learning to manage your courses efficiently will optimize your overall experience and organization on the platform. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide simplified the process for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.